Guys, I just had my first sneeze since the surgery. And I feel like I just burst my stomach open. Ow. My belly. Look at my beautiful girl back there. Ow, ow. That really hurt. Feels like I ripped my stitches. And this is my journey. Selena. Oh, say hi. Guys, as soon as I got home last night, because I flew back home last night. Oh my god, I really think I ripped my stomach inside. The stitches on my muscles. Fuck. She started taking care of me right away. While my mom was cleaning my house. Yes, it's really bothering me. Sorry. Let me breathe through this for a second. That hurt. What was I saying? Oh yeah, my mom cleaned my house for me. She cleaned out my fridge for me, because I was gone for a week. So it's time for all of them groceries to go in the garbage and replace them today. Oh my god, my stomach. Oh. My mom cleaned my daughter back in my room. She cleaned my blankets and my pillowcases. So I had a nice clean bed to come home to. I came home. She put Neosporin on all of my incisions. She gave me my medication. As she unpacked my suitcase, put everything away. When I woke up this morning, I noticed that because when I went to bed, my comforter wasn't dry yet. So I covered up my robe and went to sleep because I was so tired. When I woke up, I noticed that my little baby cakes back there even covered me up and tucked me in to go to CP's. But woke up today, she gave me my medication, she helped me out of bed, and I drove today. I'm not supposed to drive for 2 weeks, but I'm not on any pain medication. I refuse to be on those, because I'm afraid of addiction. I've seen too many people go into addiction off pain pills, and I will not be one of those. I will not be a part of the statistic, so I won't take the pain pills. So driving was pretty good and easy. Right now I'm with my mom. She took me out for lunch. Then I went and did some grocery shopping, and now we're picking up the little ones from daycare. And yeah, I haven't updated in I think over a day. But anyway, oh my fucking goodness, my belly, that hurt. My jeans should be soon ready to come out. Woohoo!